Canada will experience heavy flooding. The founder and leader of SANKOFA Ministries in Ghana, Kwarteng Amanfo, the King Solomon of our time, on the 29th of June, gave many prophecies which the recent Canada flooding wasn't left out. During his live streaming section on SANKOFA Hour, Apostle Kwarteng Amanfo revealed that he saw heavy flooding on the streets of Canada. This is what he said.
Amai mienum na mehu Holland ene Canada say womu be experience disaster kese pa ba kwa mehu ye pa na ye nsubrane ntraso unim nsubrane ntraso meka se nsubrane a se nsu ato aboro so nti flood no they are going to experience flooding Holland and Canada. Na ebe nipa nwanwa. Enti wo bompa ye a kai ho so bi. Na afi ye sha ase so a enam se Awurade adi kan se no. Wayi na dia chense ayaka no. Ena boa no one of the importance of revelations no. Deuteronomy 29 verse 29. Ose niema Awurade ayi a kire ye ne madia na dia hinta ya safre Awurade Nyankopon dia. Enti oyi kire se ya dia beba. Some of them untimi nane no. Nemu Awurade be kasa eboa ma oda ho so ma de kro betwam. Eti Canada and Holland, they are going to experience flooding. Pa omuhu bida.
To fulfill this prophecy, heavy flooding took over the streets and cities of Toronto, just as mentioned and stated by Yahweh's servant Apostle Kwarteng Amanfo. This is to fulfill Yahweh's prophecy through his man-servant, Apostle Kwarteng Amanfo, the King Solomon of our time. Thank you for watching.